Roger from Spring Branch has a stinky sink.
It's in the bathroom.
Well, it's where a sink is.
And usually where you find stinks,
Whatever.
too. But in this case, neither are what he's looking for. Roger writes, once in a while, when running water, we get a belch of sewer gas. And it seems to me this began when we changed out the sink stopper. I'm not sure, he says, that the sink stopper has anything to do with it. But he wants to know, what do you think the source of this is? What can they do about stemming the stench in the sink?
All I can tell you this, if you actually have sewer gas,
yes,
it's the P-trap. The P-trap is either siphoning, something's going on, or there's just no water in the P-trap. And when you start to run it, it's going to belch up a bunch of smell because the smell's down in the P-trap.
The P-trap is designed to stop that, isn't it?
Yeah, if it holds water. So what I'm saying is, it's siphoning. Did they do something to where it's not holding water anymore? Is it not being used very much, so it
could the stopper
evaporates?
Have anything to do with that?
No.
Okay.
But I'm just saying that if you get sewer, people love to say sewer gas. Mm-hmm. Okay, they say it. Oh, I have sewer gas all through my house, but usually it's not sewer gas; it's something else. But I can tell you,
what did you have for dinner?
And we're back to we're talking about the exact question: is there sewer gas coming in? If there is, it's a P-trap problem, and if there's a P-trap problem, you need to fix it. That's the bottom line. That's the only way sewer gas is going to get in your home.
So an Abacus plumbing call right there.
Well, yeah, it's a plumber, but sometimes.
Yeah.
I just went on a little trip this week and came home last night actually, but where I was, when you turn the water on, the water smelled terrible. It was just nasty water.
Did it continue to smell terrible?
Yeah.
Okay.
So there's so many
Where
chemicals. I was on South Padre Island.
Okay,
which is a beautiful place.
All right.
But the water there's horrible. I wouldn't drink it, that's for sure. I washed my face. I mentioned this to my wife. I washed my face in the water, and my face smelled like the water.
Well,
that's how bad some of the water's getting in this country.
Wow. Well, let's get a detective in here to figure that one out.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
The water sometimes just stinks, and I'm finding this in more and more places as I travel. You travel a lot. I don't know if you ever notice it, but you're always on the road to Rhode Island, to Canada, to L.A. Do you ever notice the difference in the waters when you go to different places?
Oh, yeah. Yeah. When you go up into the north and you have that naturally soft water.
It is naturally soft up in the north.
It's like, it's unbelievable.
Lake Placid was like that.
Yeah.
You would not want to soften.
It's like I have clients up that are up along the eastern seaboard. They can't sell water softeners because you don't need them.
No. And that's why they say in New York City, the water makes the pizza dough better.
That's
it's
true.
because it's naturally soft water, and that's what they're making their dough with.
It's you fear for your life, and any food tastes good in that moment.
And you're really hungry, so it tastes good no matter what you eat, because it's really kind of gross pizza.
Back to Roger's P-trap here. Roger, I was going to make sure we took care of you here. Yes, so the bottom line is the P-trap, call the plumber, have them figure out if you think it's the P-trap siphoning.
If it's sewer gas.
Yeah.
Then yes.
Okay,
that's why everybody says sewer gas. So the only way sewer gas can come in if your P-trap is not holding water.
The only reason, Roger, you want to do that is so no one can invoke the whoever smelt it, dealt it defense about the smell. Okay, and you're complaining about smelling, they're going to think it's you. So get that P-trap looked
Okay, that's a little weird.
Okay. You got here I am.
There he is.
You got a question, go ahead and send it to us at HomeShowRadio.com. Visit the website. There's a button, Ask Tom, in the upper right-hand corner. Click on that. We'll post your answer just like these videos. Subscribe to our channel, click the bell, and we'll ring yours when we post a new one.